See, the household sector and the firms. Now, the household sector provides the firm with the factor services. See the arrow, this is going to the firm. From the household to the firm, factor services. Okay. The firm is providing goods and services to the household. See, the arrow is coming to here, from the firms to here. So, the firm is providing goods and services. Household is providing factor service, firm is providing good and service. Now, in regard to this factor services provided, the firm is paying the household. The firm will pay factor payments to the household. So, the household is earning factor payments against the factor service. So, the firms are paying to the household. So, the firms are paying the household the factor payments. So, household is providing factor services, firm is providing goods and services, firm is providing factor payments to the household for these factor services. Now, what is household giving to the firm? Other than factor service, the household is spending money on these goods and services provided by the firm. So, the household is spending money as consumption expenditure which is going to the firm. So, this is the two flows. Okay. In a two-sector economy. Now, we will move on to the circular flow of income with two sector, with another additional sector, that is the financial market. Now, see, the whole thing will remain the same. That here the household is providing factor service to the firm. Now, the firm is giving factor payments to the household. The firm is also giving goods and services to the household, and the household is giving to the firm as consumption expenditure. Now, when this financial market comes, what is happening? We as the household, we provide labor also. Okay, so we are providing capital also. So, when we are providing this, we earn income in the form of factor payments. Now, when we are earning income in form of factor payments, we are saving a part of the income. See, saving a part of the income in financial market, that is bank, which is denoted by financial market. Now, from these savings only, I have already said in banking that from these savings only the banking sector provides loans. Okay, so as we save, the firms also save. See, there is an arrow of saving like household. So, firm is also saving, household is also saving. Okay. Now, the financial market to the firm gives another things, that is borrowings from these savings, from our savings. So, the financial market, the households are saving a part of their income in the banks. The banks gives loans to the firms from these savings, which is given by the arrow of borrowings. And the firms also save a part of their profit in the financial market, that is banks. Now, we will go to the circular flow of income in a three-sector economy. In a three-sector economy means the government will come here. Okay. Now, in the three-sector model, we have government, financial market, household, firms, government. See, the rest of the thing will be same. Okay, the household, see, the firms are providing factor payments to household. The household are providing consumption expenditure to firms. Now, what is the relationship with the government? Here there will be another arrow which I will be giving in the diagram when I give notes. That is the arrow of the firms providing, the household providing factor services to firms, and firms providing factor payments to the, and the firms providing goods and services to the household. So rest assured that this lower part you ignore. This is already done in the two sector. See in the upper part. Financial market, firms, household, government. We are paying tax to the government, so tax payment. This is the household, We are paying tax to the government, so tax payment. Now, government provides us many transfers like scholarship, then old age pension, unemployment allowance. All these are the transfer payments of the government to the household. Household provides factor services to the government. Government provides factor income to the household. Firms give tax to the government. Government gives subsidies, chhoot, to the firms. Firms provide goods and services to the government. Government provides payment to the firms against these goods and services provided. Now, the government also saves a part of its income as savings with the financial markets. The government also borrows from the financial market when needed. So, as we see from the diagram, when the government is included, what is happening? We are paying tax payment to the government, so one arrow will go to the government. Now, government provides us with transfer payment like unemployment allowance, scholarship, old age pensions. So one arrow will come down to household from the government. We provide factor services to the government, so one arrow will go to the government. Government provides factor payments against that, so arrow will come to the household. Firms provide taxes to the government, so one arrow will go to the government. Government gives subsidies to the firm, so one arrow will come down. Next, the firms provide goods to the government, one arrow will go to the government. Government provides payment against these goods and services, so one arrow will come down to the firms. So this is the circular flow. Now, government saves a part of their income with the banks. So one arrow will come to the financial market with savings. Another, government also borrows from the banks, so it will go as borrowings. Fourth sector economy. In fourth sector economy with the government, we have got the foreign sector.